I'm Tom from Factory Underground Tech, and today we're going to be talking about microphone placement on an acoustic guitar. Let's get started. Today we're going to look at 3 different microphone placements, using only one microphone. We're going to start at the 12th fret, work our way down to the 14th fret, kind of where the neck meets the body of the guitar, and then we're going to mic the body of the guitar. Here we're going to see how these small moves on the guitar make such a big difference in its tone. When placing the microphone, we're going to want to be about 8 to 12 inches away from the acoustic guitar. This ensures that we have some distance and we're able to capture as much of the instrument as possible while getting a nice, clear sound. We're going to be using the Neumann KM184 small diaphragm condenser microphones. Small diaphragm condensers are great for recording acoustic guitar. They can also be great at recording pianos, drum overheads, and many other instruments. They're very articulate in the way that they pick up information. This makes it very clear and very precise when recording acoustic guitar. Let's take a listen. Listening to these differences, you can tell that we get more high end from when we're at the 12th fret. We're capturing more of the string noise. And as we get closer to the body, we're going to get more low end. This is where all the buildup of resonance happens within the guitar. So we can pick those moments to decide when we want to capture what we capture. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. Can't wait to hear you guys recording your own guitars. Stay tuned for more Factory Underground Tech Labs coming your way.
Thank you for participating in this Factory Underground Tech lesson. To learn more about Factory Underground Tech, please visit factoryundergroundtech.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our YouTube channel. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.